Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing video. You know like a Pop Mart has Labubus and Zimomos, right? So let's celebrate their 10th anniversary by opening Zimomo 10th anniversary. Let's start unboxing. I wonder what do we have here? Scissors ready? Let's start opening. Now it's open. Let's see what's inside. Whoa, there's a bag. It says Monster Zimomo Series 3. And at the back, it says the Monster's 10th anniversary. It's pretty cool, right? Cut 3, 2, 1. Wait. Whoa, this is so cool. The box is black and there's a black tail with rainbow spikes. And it says the Monsters 10th anniversary Zimomo Series 3. It's pretty cool. And it's different from the other boxes. Whoa, just look at the box. It's all black with gold writing, and there's a black tail with rainbow spikes. Bro, that's so cool. Let's start opening. Whoa, this is so cool. But you know what to do? Let's rescue it. Let's rescue it. This looks really cool. In fact, people say that Zimomo 10th anniversary is just a bigger version of ID, the secret in Labubu, big inter-energy. So let's compare. This one doesn't have rainbow eyes, while this one does. Well, this one has wings and like a tail. Wait, a tail. This one doesn't. And this one's more black and this one's more gray. And you see the ears? These ones have color, but this one doesn't. And this one's big and this one's small. So that's all the differences between these two. So technically, this is not the bigger version of ID, but yeah. So let me run over some features about Zimomo 10th anniversary. First of all, this Zimomo is the most colorful Zimomo I've ever seen. So the fur is black and the body is colorful. Second of all, its hands has nail polish. Third of all, wait, let me just turn this. Third of all, it has a tail with colorful rainbow spikes. Then we have the wings. Unlike the other Zimomos, you can move the wings. And the wings are very soft. Oh, and don't forget the eyes. So sharp, cute, dumb. I like cute. And obviously it's bigger than my head. The size should be around Zimomo original, yeah. Sorry it's a bit crowded, it's just the best I could do. Anyway, let's do Zimomo versus Zimomo versus Zimomo. First of all, Zimomo 10th anniversary has nail polish, but Zimomo Angel in Clouds has feet polish. Zimomo Angel in Clouds and Zimomo 10th anniversary both have wings, but Zimomo Original does not have wings, but it has a medal saying the monsters, and they all have tails. Well, it's the end of today's video, but I think I've forgotten something. The stand! Where's it? Is the stand there? Is the stand there? Woo! The stand is there. On the stand it says the Monsters 10th Anniversary Series. Let's open it. Ooh. Whoa, this is cool. It's double-sided. On this side, you can see Zimomo 10th anniversary sleeping on this cube. And on the other side, it's just the same thing without words. The words, it says the Monsters 10th anniversary series. Cool. So cool. And it's also kind of heavy, but it's very cool. Let's welcome the latest and coolest Zimomo to Alventure Labubu and Zimomo's family! I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe. Bye!